interesting. This place looks so much fun. Hello, kids.
They look like continents of our planet Earth. Hello, friends! There are 7 continents on Earth.
Okay, let's do this.
North America. Asia. South America. Africa. Europe. Australia. Antarctica. We will learn oceans also. Pacific Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Indian Ocean. South Atlantic Ocean. Southern Ocean.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Yahoo!
Wow, what a pleasant day!
Yeah, what a great day.
Okay, let's do this.
Amazing looks interesting. Hey, let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Whoa! Ooh, have a look here. That was wonderful.
See you guys next with new exciting things. Did you see that? Hello, friends.
Hey, let's go over there.
Hey, bananas! Have a look here.
Amazing looks interesting.
What do you think? Well, that has a plan for today. I will show you how.
Interesting.
Let's go.
Okay. Ooh,
Hey, bananas, let's do this. 1, is funny.
4.
Perfect.
5. 6. This is 7. This is an 8. This is 9. This is 10. That is awesome.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah!
Hello, friends. Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. Rainbow colors. Who is that? Hey, come on! What's up? What are we going to learn today? Oh, wow! Insects. Yes, we are going to learn insects. This is fly. Let's go for the next. This is butterfly. Let's do the next one. This is
Mantis.
Let's go for the next. This is
Snail.
Let's go for the next. This is caterpillar. Let's go for the next. This is scorpion. Let's go for the next. This is spider. This is an ant. This is worm. This is dragonfly. This is ladybug. This is honeybee. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. See you guys next with new exciting things. Did you see that? Amazing looks interesting. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Yes, we are going to learn fruits. This is an apple. This is mango. This is pear. This is grape. This is watermelon. This is banana. This is an orange. This is dragon fruit. So I will see you next time. Bye! Hello, kids. Wow, look at this place. Awesome. Amazing looks interesting. Well, that has a plan for today.
look here.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Hello, friends! What are we going to learn today?
First, I will show what I have. We are going to learn birds with shapes. They are going to be so much fun.
Hey, come on! Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's go for first.
Let's go over there. Yes!
Roll with me.
Do you know what bird this is?
This is an eagle. Let's go for the next. Here we go. Yahoo! This is a toucan.
Poo-poo.
Parrot. An owl.
Turaco.
Hummingbird.
Ooh!
Guillemot cock.
Red cardinal.
That was wonderful!
See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hey, hello, kids. Let's roll with me. Ooh, we almost to the top. Hello, friends. Look over here. Amazing looks interesting. Hey, what's going on? Well, that has a plan for today. Let's go. Okay, let's play. Whoa! Here we go. Watch out!